got to. I know your voice deep. You a nigga. You my little brother in real life. Come on. 1, 2, 3. No, worried though. So look, y'all. Hey, today, y'all already know the vibes, man. Y'all already know the deal. Before we get to the video, man, I'm gonna need y'all boys to go crazy on that like button, man. I'm talking about like, bro, like, what is you smiling at? What's so funny?
I'm just smiling. I can't smile, dang.
Cause you think this shit is funny. Corvette, hop in the whip like Look, man, by the title, y'all already know what today is, man. Y'all already know what today. I got my little sister with me. And y'all love my sisters. Y'all love my gun videos I be doing guns with. And y'all been begging. Please get your sisters in the gun range. Please get your sisters. Okay, look, I promise y'all this, okay? I will get 1, 2, 3, 4 of all my sisters in the gun range if y'all get this video to 10,000 likes, okay? It's just hard because I have pretty big guns. For them to shoot that, it's going to be crazy. So right now, what I want to do is teach them gun safety of how to load, unload a clip, how to fire it. We're not going to be loaded and shooting fire just to press the trigger. So nothing is going on. Everything is unloaded right now. I know that this type of audience and stuff is very, very toxic. I'm gonna make sure to show y'all that it's clear. There's not going. I'm going to make sure that everything is fine. Safety zone, all that. Y'all know Glocks don't have safeties, but I'm gonna make sure that it's empty, no bullet in the chamber. I'm gonna show y'all, and all I'm gonna need y'all to do is just go crazy on the like button. Literally smash the like button. And literally take 10 seconds out y'all day. Have you ever held a gun before? Okay, I was finna say, because I was finna ask who. We got some guns here. Y'all can't see them. She see them right now, but y'all finna see them in a minute. A lot of y'all that's familiar with my gun videos. Today, we're gonna do 3 weapons. I don't wanna do the whole arsenal, because y'all know I have like freaking like 12, 13 guns. I want to do the whole arsenal right now. Basically, I'm going to teach all of my sisters one by one gun safety. You know, I want to make sure I can get hands-on with them so they can know every single thing. So I don't have to teach them all at once and they get all distracted, because y'all know how they get. If we get to 5,000 likes, I will make sure that I get another one of my sisters in to show them the little gun safety. And then, like I said, 10,000 likes, we're going to take them all to the gun range and they're going to shoot the Draco. Y'all already know that. Y'all already know that. Draco's about big as y'all. But anyways, yeah, let's get into it. So first, you already know what I want to start off with. My favorite, my personal carry conceal. I love this with my life. I'm not trying to be a fanboy or none of that, but this is personally one of my favorite guns. This is the Glock 43X, as y'all see. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all are familiar with this. This is not the MOS version. It doesn't have the stuff for the reticles on it, but if a lot of y'all plan on getting this gun, I recommend that y'all get the MOS version. And this holds 15. I got the S15. Plus 5, so this clip holds 20, and I still can carry conceal this, and you wouldn't even know it. I have one in the chamber right now. Let me actually put that for y'all so y'all can see. Y'all see? It's gone. That fast, gone. Oh, hold on. There. Nothing is in here. It's complete empty. You feel me? Empty. So y'all, I don't want nobody in here trying to be toxic. There's bullets in here though, but I got another clip that I'm gonna have her work with. This one holds 10. So I'm just gonna put this one in. I'm gonna make sure I take all the bullets out of this. But yeah, so let's get into it. So Yanni, this is the Glock 43X, okay? You wanna hold it? Here, put that down, what's that?
It's low.
I mean, hold, what you mean? I mean, hold it like, you feel me? Like you actually.
I was just holding it like that.
Like, yeah, I'm saying like hold it. This ain't no toy. You feel me? This is real deal. There. Okay, so this is the Glock 43X. This is a really small Glock, as you see. So I'm gonna teach you something, right? Hold this down. Hold it just like this, and press this slide release. Press it downward with your finger. Woo! It scared you, didn't it? You thought you killed somebody. Like she shot it. Hey, come on, lift it up, lift it up. Let me see how would you hold a pistol if you're trying to shoot somebody. How would you hold it? Like aim.
Like, oh.
Yeah.
Like this?
Let me see. Let me see. Okay, I mean, for a beginner, 2 hands. 2 hands. You're crib playing. Come on. Let me see how you do with 2 hands. I'm not gonna lie. As the first time you not really holding the gun, which is I feel like that you hold one, because how you got your finger right here. Y'all see this?
I just see you.
There's no way that she didn't hold the gun
it
before.
too.
She have her finger right here, because who just automatically just
yeah,
hold it
I
like
saw
that?
you doing it.
Oh, you saw me doing it, so you learned from your big brother? So look, this is what I'm gonna need you to do, okay? I'm gonna need you to hold it just like this. You feel me? Put your fingers right here, because normally when you shoot, you feel me? You're gonna wanna really squeeze. You're gonna wanna squeeze, not with this, not with the hand that you're shooting with. So let's say you're right-handed, right? Mm-hmm. You wanna make sure that you shoot on the tip of your finger. Most people will shoot like this, Because they just think, okay, I just want to put my whole finger in there. Because no, you shoot with the tip of your finger for better accuracy. You do like this, you start getting nervous, boom, stuff start dropping and all that. So make sure that you shoot it with the tip of your finger. Make sure you have your hand placement right. Make sure this, you know, aiming straight down sight, you know? Mm-hmm. Here, try it.
You said what?
Mm-hmm.
Like
there you go.
Yeah.
Bang. Bang it. Go ahead.
I can
Tip
shoot
of the
it.
finger, yeah. Ain't nothing in there.
I don't want to do it.
There's no clip in there. There's no clip in there, I promise. See?
Oh.
There's no clip in there, okay? And be careful when you got some gun safety. It don't matter if it's no clip. Don't be doing all like this and shit, okay? That's not what you do. Just make sure you keep it aimed down, because you never know. Just gun safety, you feel me? Make sure. So now try to shoot it again. Let me see your hand placement looking good. You don't want to hold your finger right here, because when it shoots, it's gonna come back and snack your finger. And your finger. You saw that when mama did that? My mama did that, and now you see what happened to your finger. I tried to tell you that you good. Uh-huh. You can't do it no more. Why?
I gotta do it like that?
Yeah. See what you... How do you know this?
Because it's common sense.
It's common sense though. But you never... Okay, let me see. Let me see how you go cock it.
Wait. I can't do it. I gotta do it hard.
You did it.
Oh, I did?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Right now, what we're gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna have her empty this clip right here. 9mm, you already know, got the defense bullets. Y'all see them pink tips. The red tips. I got the pink tips right here. You feel me? This is the clip that erase a nigga. That's why you see what I mean? These is definitely the ones. That's why they pink at the tip, because it's like an eraser to erase a nigga. So just keep that in mind, okay? So what you're gonna do is unload this clip. Go ahead, you can scoot up. Unload it. Just how would you? Just try to get the bullets out. You do like, there you go.
Oh,
you did it right here. Let me drop. There you go. There you go. You got it. It's done, right? Show them it's empty. There's nothing in there. Because you know how tots they be getting, man. There's nothing in there, okay, y'all? I don't want y'all to be here. She has a loaded gun, so go ahead, here. Put a clip in there, go ahead. There you go. You got it?
Oh.
What I told you to do the first time.
Dang.
Go ahead, harder.
It won't go down.
Harder. Let's go down. You got to click it hard.
My thumb hurt.
She's not strong enough to actually hit the slide release. I'm going to put one bullet in here so it can actually chamber into the round, so it can be a little easier for her as well. So, here, there you go. Here. So it's one bullet in here. Just make sure you do not hit the button. It should be a little easier. There you go. Now it's in there. Don't shoot it though. Now it's a bullet. It's loaded right now, so you can honestly kill somebody. What I'm going to teach you to do right now is how to unload a loaded weapon, okay? Make sure to keep your finger off this trigger though, okay? Keep your hand right here. I want you to click this button here. This is how to take the slide. This is how to take the magazine out. I'm sorry, y'all, because everybody, it's not a clip, it's a magazine. There you go. Ooh. I'm finna teach you how to take the bullet out of the chamber. Yeah. You gotta hold it. Hold this right here. Hold your finger. Don't move your finger. Matter of fact, take your finger off. For real. There. And just do like that. Now pull this back. No, yep. And it's gonna fall out. Pull it back all the way. It's not back all the way. There you go. See? It's right here. That's how you was weak. God dang. Okay. So look, next. I'm gonna let you hold this because we're gonna go up. Next, y'all already know what time it is. Y'all already, matter of fact, let me add the clip in there too, because I think they look a little bit more scary with the clip. They're just me personally. Okay, you feel me? So this is what we have here next, y'all. Y'all already know what this is, man. Say it with me. This is the Draco. No, this is not the Draco, y'all. You feel me? It's another AK pistol. It's in the AK pistol family, but it's a different variant of a AK pistol. This is called the Zastava M92. I know a lot of y'all keep saying that down below. It's not a Draco, bro. I know. Trust me. I just label it Draco just because YouTube, they like to recommend stuff that's named Draco. Okay? So don't kill me. But we finna have her figure this out in a minute, y'all, and make sure I unload this. But this is a loaded magazine. This is 35 in here. Right here. Empty. Make sure y'all know. Ain't nothing in here as well. Y'all see everything. There's nothing in here. Safety's already on. Y'all see the safety? Safety on. Safety off. Safety on. Safety off. Y'all can know here. So this.
Dang.
This is a Zastava M92. This is it's a Draco. Shoot the same round, everything, but it's not specifically labeled as a Draco. I just labeled it in my video Draco just so people can click on it. It's really clickbait, but it looks exactly like one. It shoots, it's everything's the exact same, literally. So what you think about this?
It's heavy.
It's heavy. If there was a magazine in there, what would you do? Okay. I mean, you know it. Then what would you do?
You get ready to shoot.
Okay, now let me see how you would shoot it. Her aim that way.
I don't know how to hold this.
All right, let me see how would you hold it though.
I don't know. Like, do you point out? No.
Yeah, you're doing it right.
Oh.
Cause I feel so you have held one of these.
No.
Cause how is you holding this right?
I never held.
You got the arm straight, this one side. Like what's going on? It's pretty simple. You know, this really people like to hold it like this, hip fire it, or people hold it like this. I hold it like this because I go to the range. If you hip fire it from the range, they will 100% kick you out. Especially when I go to, they hate niggas. You feel me? So they find any reason to kick us out. You feel me? So make sure I'm gonna take y'all to the range, and we're gonna make that. Like I told y'all, get this video to 10,000 likes. All right, y'all. So I just went on and got me another clip right now. Like I told y'all, everything is empty. I want y'all to see. There's nothing in here. I know these people like to be toxic, man. So here, you see this little hook right here. You're gonna want to put this in here like this. It's like a little thing right there that needs the hook on. So you just put it in there. That's simple, y'all. Literally, that's simple. Yep, you release it by holding it. So here. Nope. Oh. So you gotta make sure that hook is in there first. You go feel it. It's almost like wiping the booty. Like you feel me? You gotta like smear it in there.
What? I was comparing the wrong stuff.
For real, like it's like wiping your butt. You gotta like turn this out. There you go. Now just
Oh shit.
It's just go, yep, just like you wiping the booty. Yeah, see? There you go. Just like you wiping your booty. Like I told you. This? Just like you wiping your booty. Go ahead. You know what to do. You a roster. You know what to do. Shoot. See? Safety on though. It's not gonna shoot. Yeah, it's not gonna shoot. Here, let me turn safety off. Now cock it. All the way back. Keep going. See? Yeah. Now try. See? You feel how heavy that is?
Yeah.
It hurts, huh? Feel like a weight. Take it out. There you go. So, you know what to do? Oh, Sade. Give me some. That's what I'm talking about. So she know what to do. She got a gist of everything to do. She just put it in there, cocked it, shot it, and unloaded it. Like, I might need to learn something from her. You feel me? I might need to learn something from her is what I'm trying to say. So we got one more gun. You feel me? We ain't done yet. We know she is a veteran at this. You feel me? She must have been in Vietnam or something. She's unloading, unracking, put the safety back. This is one of the hardest safeties. I have not put no oil on the safety. She just like it's nothing. You feel me? You know what you're doing. Give me something right here. Next, we got the AR. You feel me? So y'all know what this is, man. You know. If y'all watch my 2021 gun list, man, y'all already know what gun this is, man. Here, I'm gonna let you feel this one. This is way lighter.
This not big, what you thinking?
It's big, but it ain't as heavy. You thought it was gonna be heavier than that, huh? Nah, it's not. It's lighter, right? Go ahead, Lila. Let me just see. Show out. Let me see what you're working with. Let me see what you're working with so far.
How you hold it?
No, you better know how to hold everything else. So let me see how you would, cause she been holding everything else. Let me see. Go ahead.
I don't know how to hold this one.
Let me see how you hold it.
What you said?
You got it.
Wait, like that?
And she doing it right. You know, I'm finna tell you what I thought she was finna do. I swear on everything I love you. I thought she was finna do like this. I thought she was finna bend her whole neck and look at that bud like this. I put that on everything I love. I just knew she was finna do that. She brought it up to her eye. So it's something that we need to know. Because I want you to tell them what's going on. Because I don't understand how do you know how to do all this already? This ain't showing this on Call It. I don't want to hear no Call It. Fam, I swear to God, y'all. She said, brought that mug up to her eye. How do you know how to do this? Is this something you go out with a hood nigga or something?
No, what?
You date a hood nigga? I think she dated a hood nigga. So where would you think you would cock this back at?
Somewhere over here.
It's right here at the top.
Oh.
Right here? You see that? Yeah.
Oh, how you pull that back from me?
Yep. Here you go. Yep, there you go. All the way back. All the way back. I want you to try to load it. Here you go. That one's just simple. You can just put that in there. Simple. Now, Amy, let me see what you're talking about. Let me see what you're talking about. Call of Duty, Yanni. Let me see what you're talking about.
Okay.
See? Now cock it back. All the way back. Let it go. See? Now what you do? All in one motion. Now take the magazine out. Take the magazine out.
This?
Yep. There you go. So you good. So what I'm gonna give you a challenge to do right now, I want you to go through every single thing. I want you to Put it in there, shoot it, release it. Put it in there, every single one, okay?
Okay.
All right, you got it? Okay, let's see. Make sure everything empty first so y'all can see. Wow.
Okay. So
You got that? This empty as well. Y'all see? All right, y'all, so I got the stopwatch started up. We finna go ahead and start it. Ready, set. Hold on, get your hand, put it down. You gotta put it down, you gotta put it down. Set, go. You remember? Uh-huh. Hold it down, too.
I can't do that one. Okay.
Let's go.
Now I gotta,
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Wait.
No, you aiming at that. I mean. Go ahead. Okay.
Then I take it out. Wait.
All right, go ahead. You got it. Now next. Let's see. Put it sideways. Wipe your booty like you wipe your booty. You got it. You got it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Then I take it out.
It's on safety. Go ahead. Mm-hmm. 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 Uh-huh. Okay. All right. Time. Ooh! Give me some. Give me some. Right here. You up? I gotta get some too. You did good. You did good. Other than that, you died about a long time ago. You feel me? You died very long ago. I ain't go show her right now. You feel me? It was 1 minute and 32 seconds. You chambered through everything in 1 minute and 32 seconds. That's pretty good for it to be your first time. You ain't gonna do nothing but get better over time. You feel me? So you're doing great. And but you would definitely be dead. You feel me? Off the first one, you would have been dead because the pistol.
I don't know why I can't push that down.
It takes a little manpower. You feel me? That's where I come in handy. Your big brother. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
What
Yeah,
do you have to do all this?
What's your favorite one so far? Just like, you know, the AR. The AR is her favorite one. Why? Is it just light or something? Like what you like?
It's easy.
It's smooth, huh? Yeah. A lot of people fan favorite. This is what they use in the military a lot. Is assault rifles and Glocks. Literally. They don't really use them. Yeah, they don't really like AKs. So would you rate this on a scale of 1 to 10?
10.
10. So you ready to shoot?
No.
You ain't ready to shoot them?
I'm scared. I feel like they got a lot of back from.
Okay, that's good. That's exactly what I wanted to hear. So let's get this video to 10,000 likes because she's scared to shoot these guns, and we're going to make her because she's not going to say otherwise. Hey, that's right.